This is the result of me baking a lot of the time, but especially with confectioner sugar. It's all over the table, all over the tripod. It was on my phone, but I dusted that off. It's not on the camera, but. And all over me. Oh, you guys. Now you're just going to pick a paintbrush and paint your chocolate into the mold. Depending on the size of your mold, you're going to either do 1 or 2 coats. I ended up doing just 1 coat because my molds were pretty small, but I recommend doing 2. It just makes your chocolate a little bit sturdier and it will connect to the other half of the egg a little bit easier. Now after your eggs have finished solidifying in the freezer, do you see how some of the filling is poking out here and the seam is not perfectly flush? We're gonna fix that with some more melted chocolate. I'm just taking my paintbrush again and I'm just painting over that filling or any imperfections there so that the seam is pretty flawless on there. It doesn't have to be perfect. These are homemade, so you know they're not going to look like they came from a factory. And if you can get them to look like that, let me know how you did that, because mine definitely do not. And that is about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And if you did, don't forget to leave me a like down below. And don't forget to leave me any comments for what you would like to see next. I'm so excited that I can start making some spring recipes. Definitely let me know any of those that you would like to see. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like to make more recipes with me. And I'll see you guys next time. Happy Easter! Bye!